Hi, my name is Samantha Payne. I am a teacher here at Garden City High School, and today I wanted to talk to you about ESL and what that means here at Garden City High School. And if you are new to the district or new to the area, then you know that we have a high ESL population. And I just wanted to talk about the process, a little bit of the history, that sort of thing. So what does ESL stand for? It is English as a Second Language. You could also hear it be called ELL or ESOL, all essentially kind of encompass the same ideas. LEP is another term that's used. There's lots of acronyms that we use here at Garden City High School, but Limited English Proficiency is what that stands for. A little bit of history, and I took this from the American Federation of Teachers. I'll have a link at the end of the video. So there was some concern about how United States schools should be educating non-English speaking students, and this has been an issue that we've had for centuries here in the United States. So a 1974 Supreme Court case, Lau versus Nichols, was essentially the turning point. And there was a Chinese student named Kenny Lau who felt it unfair that he was only taught in English, which he did not understand. And the Supreme Court ended up agreeing with this situation and ruling it a violation of civil rights. And so the court didn't really recommend a specific solution. However, they did give some ideas ranging from just teaching English language as quickly as you can to teaching the native language while also transitioning to English gradually. And something unique about USD 457 in Garden City is that we do have an elementary that offers Spanish exclusively content for kindergartners through first graders, and then they transition to an English classroom in second grade. So they actually have a teacher that teaches the content in Spanish, and then there's teachers that teach the content in English, and those are exclusive classes for some of our students. Some more data, just the history of English language learners in the United States. In 1979, there was documented 1.25 million ELL students, and in 2015, 4.3 million. So that number continues to grow. It's been a steady number from 2000 to 2015, 4.1 to 4.3. So Garden City High School specifically, this is a document put out by Kim Steele, who is our ESL coordinator here at the high school. And every year she puts this out, documenting the different languages, the birth countries, and the number of students that speak those languages here at Garden City High School. So it shows that how many, 24 languages in 31 countries here at Garden City High School. So we are very diverse and very unique, and it's important that you're going to understand that you will have these students in your classes, and kind of just understanding what they are, the resources they are receiving outside of your content. So how do they become classified as ESL? Well, when they are enrolled, they are giving a home language survey. And we have this survey in Spanish, English, and Burmese, or Spanish, English, Burmese, and Vietnamese. And these are some of the questions asked. So if a parent answers to any of those other than English, then they will be then tested. So, like I said, they answer anything other than English on the HLS. They receive the Idea Proficiency Test, or the IPT, which has oral, reading, and writing. If they are proficient in all three of those areas, they don't qualify for services here. But if they are not proficient in any of those three areas, then they do qualify for services. So here at USD 457, here are the levels, and I apologize for covering that up. So the IPT is used to determine the appropriate level. So newcomer, beginner, students new to the United States. Pre-lit, beginning to high beginning. Level 1, high beginning to intermediate. Level 2, intermediate to high intermediate. Level 3, high intermediate to advanced. Mainstreamed, almost proficient. And then monitored is a proficient student. Once they are placed in the ESL program, they must score proficient on the CELPA to be exited. So we don't use the CELPA any more than just determining if they should be in the program still or not. Self-contained ESL classes are available for newcomer through level 3. We have exclusive teachers for ESL students. To move into a regular education classroom, this is based on teacher recommendation only. If there's no progress at the first 2 levels, then they repeat that level, but for levels 2 and 3, they only repeat the levels or the classes they do not teach. And here are my references. I hope this video was quick and informative for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the hallways of Garden City High School.